Welcome to Singapore's most entertaining dinner experience. What I'm looking at right now is an only in Singapore moment. Freshly made noodles being twirled, spun, and stretched with the skills of a true master. This isn't just dinner, it's a full-on show. And trust me, you don't see this every day. And here's the best part. This incredible performance is happening inside the shops at Marina Bay Sands, one of the most luxurious shopping malls in Singapore. So if you are visiting this massive mall for its designer boutiques or entertainment, don't miss this place. This mall is huge. There's luxury shopping, fine dining, and even an indoor canal with boats. But what I didn't expect was to find a restaurant where the chefs turn noodle making into an action-packed performance. But here is the crazy part. This noodle dance isn't just for fun. It is actually based on traditional Chinese martial arts. Every spin, every pull, every toss is inspired by Kung Fu moves used for strength, precision, and flexibility. Now I have to be honest, at some point I actually got scared. The noodles were flying so fast and coming so close to me, I really thought I'd end up with noodles in my face. But the chef, he's a true master. Not once did a single strand touch me. His control and precision were next level. Huge shout out to my Singaporean friends for bringing me here. I would have never discovered this place on my own. And I have to say, this is one of the coolest dining experiences I've ever had. If you guys are watching, thank you. And just when I thought the show was over, the real magic began. The chef, the same level of precision, neatly cuts the long, stretched noodles into equal parts. No random cuts, no uneven strands, just pure skill. Then right in front of me, he takes those fresh noodles and dips them straight into the bubbling hot pot. You can literally see the noodles soaking up all the rich flavors from the broth cooking to the perfect texture in just a few moments. For those of you who don't know, this is Hotpot, and it's one of the most fun ways to enjoy a meal. You get a pot of simmering soup and you cook everything yourself. Meat, seafood, veggies, and of course, these hand-pulled noodles. The best part, you can customize everything, whether you love spicy, mild, or herbal flavors. You get to pick the broth and build your own perfect bowl. Before I wrap this up, I just want to say one more time, a huge thank you to my amazing friends in Singapore for treating me to this unforgettable experience. You guys really know how to show someone the best side of Singapore, and I appreciate it a lot. From the moment we walked into Marina Bay Sands to the second the last noodle was dropped into the hot pot, this has been one of the most fun and delicious meals I've ever had. So once again, thank you. This meal was an experience from start to finish, from the noodle dance inspired by martial arts to the final hot pot feast. This was a meal I'll never forget, and the fact that it all happened inside Marina Bay Sands just makes it even cooler. So if you're in Singapore and looking for more than just a meal, something that is both entertaining and delicious, this is the place to be. Would you try this? Have you ever had noodles made fresh like this? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique food adventures from around the world.